To me, the palace difference is all about the details that make us stand out. But it all begins with our world-class chefs. Our award-winning chefs have all been internationally trained and have years of experience. All our incredible dishes come to life as ideas in our test kitchen. We use the finest and freshest ingredients. Local sourcing includes fresh herbs from our garden. All our seafood is freshly caught and brought daily to our kitchens. We use only certified Angus beef in all our resorts, as well as the finest French butter and the best high-quality chocolate of all the world. All our bread is baked daily fresh, as well as our homemade tortillas. They are made sometimes even in front of you. Another huge difference of your experience here at Palace Resorts are our beautiful designed restaurants. We offer a wide range of amazing restaurants, from fine dining like Le Chateau, to oceanfront, to something more fun like La Cantina with traditional Mexican food. In Palace Resorts, we work with the best Italian chefs from all around the world, like Giuseppe Iannotti, who brings all his passion and the best recipes to our kitchens. Our guests are able to experience the uniqueness of the Mexican flavors throughout all our resorts, with all the variety of the local flavors and the freshest ingredients. We have a unique variety of Asian restaurants, from fine dining to the freshest sushi to something fun like teppanyaki shows. We have an amazing partnership with Antonio Bashur, the world-famous pastry chef, who brings all his passion and creativity to all our desserts. Providing our guests with the finest wines and top-shelf cocktails is just another great benefit. Our bartenders are trained in our in-house bartending school, and they all enjoy showing off their creativity and talents. Our goal is not just to give the best experience as any other resort, but to rival the finest restaurants in the world. From great food to great design to best service, no detail is overlooked. Our goal is to create the ultimate experience for our guests. That's the Palace difference.